Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I did a hair tutorial for you guys and I'm back with another one. So I'm starting off this video by parting my hair. First off, I'm using the tip of my ears to serve as a landmark for where I'm making my pattern. So I'm starting with the lower parts and I'm just making that as neat as possible. Next thing, I'm going in with my shine and jam. This is going to make the patterns neater than it is, so I am going in with that. Guys, can you tell the difference with when I parted the hair the first time with when I used the shine and jam? That is why you need that in your routine. So the method I'm going to be using for the hair today is the box braid, and at first I wanted it to be that big, but I decided last minute to reduce the size. So the first step I'm going to do is to make the box braid and then braid my natural hair to prep it. So the hair extensions I'm going to be using for this tutorial is from Darling. It is from Darling Hair Extensions and I got the style jungle braids. I also got it in color number 1, and for each pack you get 35 pieces, and the braiding extensions comes also in 35 inches. So for the next step, you're going to need your crochet needle and you're going to be crocheting the hair extensions to your natural hair. So you have to put in the needle and latch it onto your natural hair and create a knot for it. I feel like everyone knows how to crochet at this point, so there isn't much to explain. The tricky part of this tutorial is going to be hiding your natural hair in the braiding extensions, and I'm going to be showing that later on in the video. But first, let's just go through me finishing the first pattern that I just made. Okay, so now that we're done with the lower part, I'm going to start off the second pattern by using my brows, like the arc of my brows, as a guide to make my second part. Now this next pattern, you're going to be creating a C-cut using the arc of your brows like I pointed out in the video. This is going to guide you in the next pattern you're going to make and the next braiding section you're going to go in. I'll always advise that you go in layer by layer, which is going to make your work easy rather than just making patterns from different angles, right? Another tip I'm going to give is for you to pay extra attention or make your front pattern as neat and precise as possible, because this is the part that most people are going to see regularly, so you have to take your time while doing it. At this point, I needed to take a water break because your girl was parched. Next pattern we are going to be making for the hair is just going to be in the center, and we're going to be going line by line. We're almost done with the hair, guys. So ladies, you know how when you go to make your hair in the salon and the stylist just keeps making the braids smaller and smaller, the cuts smaller and smaller? At this point, I was happy that I was one making my hair and I didn't have to go through that process. You can literally tell the joy on my face when I knew that I had just 2 braids left to go because I was tired. Guys, to recap the crochet process, this is the top part of the braiding extensions and that is the tail of the braiding extensions. Now you want to attach the top part to your natural hair and then take the tail part of the braiding extensions and create a knot on your natural hair and tighten it. Make sure the knot is tight to your natural hair so it doesn't loosen, and your crochet braids will definitely last longer. So guys, this is the part that you want to pay close attention to. So to hide the natural braids into your crochet braids, all you have to do is take your natural braids with your crochet needle and tuck it into the crochet braids, as you can see me doing. So I am going line by line, step by step on the crochet braids to hide in my natural braids. So the best part about this braiding extension is because since it comes in that natural rough form, it is quite easy for you to hide your natural braids in it, and it doesn't come off as much as it's being a crochet braid. Rather, you think that the hair was actually braided on your natural hair, and that is what I love about this braid. So as you can see, I will keep doing this, keep tucking my hair in step by step until my natural hair is fully immersed into the crochet braids. Now this is the finished look, and I'm going to show you an overall view.
Love everything, fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So guys, like this video if you enjoyed it. Also drop your thoughts in the comment section and do subscribe if you haven't, and please help me share this video on all your social media platforms. Please guys, support my channel, and I will see you in the next video.
Inside my own world of make-believe, kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything.